As I've said in the introduction in the earlier video, now we are going to look at what you are required to submit. If you remember also the syllabus as I was presenting it a while ago, there were three outcomes there, and the third one requires a sort of policy paper. Now, this policy paper that I am going to suggest follows a very simple format, and the format is not originally mine. The format is from the International Development Research Center, which is based in Canada, and they explain to us what a policy paper is. And I'd like to use the slides also from IDRC as a basis for this presentation. So after this presentation, so in this presentation, I will try to explain to you how to write a policy brief. But immediately after this presentation, which should not last very long, the group will be divided into seminars so that the seminars can discuss for a few minutes what their outputs are. Uh, and because of that, we will try to give you time to discuss with each other. But immediately after the group has discussed, then you can go for your lunch break. So what is a policy brief? Technically, IDRC provides us very good examples of a policy brief. A policy brief is a back-to-back, more or less back-to-back presentation of reports, just 2 pages, 4 pages at the most, where you simply directly discuss what the concerns are and what are the policy recommendations based on these concerns. It does not actually carry a real policy, but at least the data-driven response why there is a policy. And therefore, this provides a rationale for the policy. Good examples of policy briefs are in the IDRC website, where you can actually see, for example, what are the benefits of subsidized early child care evidence from Kenya, or picturing change through photo voice participatory evaluation of daycare intervention in Kenya, and subsidized early child care promotion for women involvement, again, evidence from Kenya. Of course, you don't need to put evidence from the Philippines because we're not expecting any other output anyway, aside from students from the Philippines. Nevertheless, these are very good examples to consider. So what are policy brief, or what's a policy brief? Policy briefs are a key tool to present research and even recommendations to non-specialized audience. Many say the problem or the weakness of actual academic research is that it only addresses academicians or people who can understand the research process. But the beauty of a policy brief is that the policy brief is able to provide recommendations to non-specialized audiences. Just a minute, please. I have to send my cat out because the cat is sneezing.